In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log a walk-in when there is available space on the schedule. Sometimes students do come into the center when there are appointments still available, so you can go ahead and log them into the schedule directly as opposed to creating an off-schedule client report form. For example, let's say that it's Wednesday, September 5th. It's 4 o'clock and you're working. You have a student that comes in at 4:10 and they want a consultation. So all you need to do is go to your schedule where you are available at 4 o'clock, click on the white box, and you can have them create, or you can create for them the appointment form. So let's say the client is Debbie Ellis. She's come in to visit for a consultation. So you would put her information in there under client, so it's not you, and then you would go in and fill in the form with them. Also remember at the very bottom under admin options to go in and click walk-in drop-in. Once you are finished with this, go ahead and save that appointment. I highly recommend doing this before the appointment begins so you don't forget it, but it is your option to do it at the end if you'd like. So after the consultation is over, all you need to do is go and click on this box, scroll down, and add a new client report form, just like you would do with an appointment. And that's it. Super easy. If you have any questions, let me know.